Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to get rid of ads on Block Blast. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you can do is purchase an ad-free version. Most mobile games offer an in-app purchase to remove ads permanently. Check the game's store section for an option like remove ads or similar. Number second is to play offline. Many games show ads only when connected to internet. Turn off Wi-Fi and mobile data before starting the game. This works for games that don't require online feature. Number third is to use an ad blocker on mobile device. For Android, apps like AdGuard or Blockade can block ads across apps and games. For iOS, you can use AdGuard or similar VPN-based ad blocker. Ensure the ad blocker you choose is reputable and doesn't violate the App Store policies. Number fourth is to head back over your home screen and then tap on your settings. Once you're inside the settings, scroll down and then tap on General. Once you're inside your General, tap on iPhone Storage. And once you're inside here, what you need to do is scroll all the way down and locate the Block Blast app and then tap on it. And once you tap on it, here you'll be getting two options like offload app and delete app. Simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app that might be causing the problems that you are facing. Now once that's done, all you gotta do is try again. And then the next method that you can use is a user modded or premium APK. For Android, some users download modded APKs with an ads removed. Be cautious, this may violate the game's terms of service, and downloading from untrusted source can expose your device to malware. So that's basically what you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.